Yes, we're back here. And as you can see, we are still on Thailand.
He woke up on a Sunday morning. It was the second one in July. He washed his face and he put on a clean shirt. Said his mom and dad goodbye and took one last look at the pictures they took when he was 17. He walked the streets where he used to hang out, waved his hand at the girl next door. So many times he caught himself staring at a window on the second floor. Now the time was right to leave it all behind. He was finally out on his own, traveling by radio, airwaves to the right, across the highway to the other side.